Take them. What is going on, guys? Today we're back with a video and we're going to be fishing on the river. We're going to be trying to catch some bluegill. I'm sure we're going to be trying to catch some bass here. So thank you guys for watching. Let's get into it. There we go, guys. This is how easy and simple it is. Not the biggest gill here, but all I'm using here is a simple setup. I'm using nice float bobber here. I like the spring ones that just hook on the line. Not even using a weight today. And then I'm just using the nice red worms here. It's proved to be effective. It's awesome. All right, guys. First bass here. All right, guys. We just got the first bass of the evening here. This little dinker. Hey, gotta start it off somehow. Oh, here we go, guys. Ain't too shabby there. Not gonna complain about that one, y'all. There we go. Fish number 3 on the night, guys. I'm having a blast tearing them up right now. Fish number 5 right here, guys. Didn't catch this one on camera, unfortunately, but not too shabby. Looks like a pound. Just hooked one here. Get him up and through. Not a bad first fish to start off on today. Probably maybe a pound, 14 inches here. Bam. That's how you catch a bullfrog right there, guys. Hooked into one here. Looking like it's another baby. Nice. Absolute unit right here, guys. Here, and got another bite here. Another bluegill. Nothing too crazy here, but they keep taking my worms. Alrighty, back out here. Bam, another one. Man, they're on fire out here. Oh no. Man, these are better ones than I was catching earlier, that's for sure. Sweet, let's get them back. And we'll get back out there. See what we got over here. This spot is just loaded down right now. Usually is this early springtime before all these lilies get in. There we go. On another one here. Not too... Never mind. It's not too good. Get them back. And we will get back out there. On another one. Oh man. Oh man. Like nothing, y'all. I think this is like fish 7 or 8 just right here. In total, who knows? Oh, I think we can get another one on that. There we go. Got the bluegill jumping out the water. Now we're just skimming them across. Hey, that's a little better one here. I'm not gonna complain about that. Throw them back. And let's see if we can get something. Sure enough. Nothing like it. Another one down. And yes, sir. We are on another one. Little baby here, but can't complain. Can't complain. Oh, it's such a beautiful day out. Go fishing. Catch some bluegills. There we go. Oh, he feels like a good one here. Sunfish, actually. Nice fat sunfish. So, not surprised. Casting out in this new spot here. Instant bite. Still. Maybe. Oh. Instantly. Well, definitely not much of an upgrade here, but here we go. Another gill here that's pretty decent. Not too shabby. Hey. Once again, dinky blue. See if there's anything worth my time here. Got another bite. He's definitely better. Thank you guys for watching the video.